Evening all. So let's make one thing very, very clear. Launchers still work on Fire Sticks, Fire TV devices. They still work. No matter what update has happened, your launchers will still work. But we're going to go into detail about how they work and what goes on. This is the Wolf launcher. I will show you how to install that within this video. So it's a very simple layout, very basic layout really. Advanced users use it, although it's probably more simple than a lot of other layouts, but it's clean, it's useful, and like any layout, the main thing you can do with it is find your app. You can load your app, open your app, and use your app. Okay, but before we do that, as always, if you can, do remember, check out the Doc Squiffy channel. We bring you everything streaming related, whether it's Firestick. We're going to be moving back onto other streaming devices going forward. We've done a lot of Firestick stuff recently, and we've got lots of VPN stuff and other content within the channel. So, went a bit big there, haven't been on this screen for ages. So, what have we got? Firesticks. Firesticks, Firesticks, Firesticks. Firesticks, we've had lots of updates. We've lots of videos regarding updates and how updates have broken launchers, broken streaming apps. Streaming apps won't work anymore. False. Okay, streaming apps still work. Launchers still work. The biggest issue we have is keeping the launchers working. Okay, so let's go into it. This is your Firestick. I'm on my Firestick now. This is it. And you want to use your launcher, you have to open your launcher. Simple. We've got a launcher. Now you can use your launcher as much as you want. No adverts, nothing else. The problem you get is, with the way it works now is, there's not much you can do about it. Once you're on the latest update, not a lot you can do about it. Once you're here, you open an app. Once you close an app, we can back out. Once you back out and close the app, so we exit the app. This one is fine, but if you push that home button by mistake, you're back on your custom launcher. No more can you, if you've got the latest update, can you keep your launcher working permanently, guys, okay? Yes, there's options out there maybe to remove some updates. Yes, there's options out there to quick launch your launcher off of one of the quick buttons. Not really needed, but you can do it if you want to. But if this is what you like, we will show you how to install this launcher. Simple. So what I've done, I put my launcher here. This is the Wolf launcher. Right there, ready to open. Yes, it's one of the grey icons. So what you have to do is you load up your device. Click, click, click. Then you can go and find what you want within your Fire TV Wolf launcher. Yeah? You can set this up as however you want it. It's very customizable. You can configure, you can move things around, you can change the icon sizes, you can literally move icons wherever you want them, move them, everything like that. It can all be moved. Okay, this is really customizable, own background, everything like that. But every time you push the home button, you're going to end up here. But I'm going to quickly show you how to install the Wolf launcher. At least you've got it there for when maybe Tech Doctor UK changes things so you can keep it there permanently again. Obviously there is options. You could factory reset, you could then re-block updates again, but obviously your choice on that one, guys. So how do we install this Wolf launcher? First things you do, you go to find, in here go to search, type in downloader, DOW, and you'll see downloader underneath. Here you'll see downloaded. Click it to install, but do not open it yet, okay? Once it's installed, home button again. Settings. My Fire TV. Developer options. ADB debugging on. Install unknown apps. Go down to downloader and turn it on, okay? Make sure it's on for downloader so you can install the apps. Right, now we need to find that downloader app again. So we go to find, search, download is the quickest way, unless you can see it on your screen. Downloader, now we can open it. Click open. Okay, on here, we're going to type in my website here. So it's docsquiffy.com/downloads. The link is directly underneath, so you can check it on your mobile phone first if you want to. Or if you are on the Firestick and you are on the downloader app, if you type in 75726, much quicker. If it doesn't work, type what we said and it's linked underneath. But if it does work, it saves you a lot of time and it'll redirect to my page. While you're waiting for this, is a prime time to drop me a comment underneath. Prime time to hit that thumbs up. Prime time to hit that subscribe as well. And for me to have a quick slurp. So, now we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the launchers. There's a lot of things on here, so you might want to check out the website because there's loads of things you can download on your devices, and they all say next to it whether they're for Android or Firestick. But we're going to scroll all the way down to Android, Firestick and TV launchers. So we're going to get the Wolf launcher, the latest Wolf launcher. We click it, and then we click download. Did it install instantly for you? Behind my head, let me move my head. You can then click install and then click done. After that, you click delete and delete. Okay, then you can pop back to your home screen. I'll reappear. Obviously, mine is set to here now. Yours will be under these 3 squares and a plus. Click it. Right at the bottom will be your one, and you can move it wherever you want. If you push the 3-line button, click move. But mine's here. Then you can just open it up, move it to where you want to, and you're straight into your launcher whenever you need it. Simple as that. And then you can customize this however you want it. And if you are a person who prefer to look at this, and a lot of people do, when they're selecting their apps, they'd rather look at this so they don't have any adverts or anything like that, and it's nice and clean. Installing this and using this has not modified any software. Nothing of Firestick software. Modifying it is when you change it so it stays permanently. And obviously that's your choice to do. And we're going to keep an eye out on a fix for that as well and see if it will work. Before you leave though, guys, if you are worried about, and obviously a quick word from our partners, we always have a quick word from our partners, IPVanish VPN. If you're after a VPN, one of the best prices will be linked directly underneath for you. $3.75 will keep you safe online. And we will link all our socials underneath, including my Twitters, Facebooks, Instagrams, where else are we? TikTok, multiple YouTube channels, all linked underneath for you. Hope you're having a great week. I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Do remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.